Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, woodcrafts are loved because they are nature, timeless and full of textures. A simple piece of wood can become a beautiful decoration with a little creative and care. One popular idea is a handmade wooden wallsing in inspiration, quiet family name or welcome message can turn a plain wood board into a beautiful piece of home decoration. Wooden shelves are both useful and stylish. This display look painted plants, candle, small decoration will adding warmth any room. And friends, नहीं है अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है वीडियो and weavers wooden shelves are both useful and stylish. The display book, plants, candles, small decoration will adding warmth to any room. Rustic wooden candle horror creative a cozy atmosphere. The nature texture make them perfect for dining tables, living room or outdoor decoration. And friends, weavers, my next idea is weavers. Friends, one popular idea is a handmade wooden picture frame or another wonderful project. They help display family photos, special memories in a unique and personal way. And friends, woods like decorate have become very popular. They can be painted and decorated with flowers to create a beautiful wall art ornament and table centerpiece. And weavers, a creative birdhouse or enchantment project for all ages. They decorate the garden with proving a safe place for birds to rest and their nest. And weavers, my next idea is weavers. Wooden storage boxes are practical and beautiful. They can organize shoelace, rings, Phillips, scraps, tools, letter or everyday household items. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and